Alright guys, so we finally got moved into the new house, and Talon's had this old janky TV that he's been playing Xbox on for years. So he finally went out and got himself a new smart TV, so we're gonna smash it. And the reason I'm smashing it is because he's been talking about, oh, when you start doing vlogs where we prank each other and break each other's things. So we're breaking your TV, Talon. Let's go.
Alright, I just gotta find the stand for the new TV.
I just hid it somewhere.
Huh?
I hid it somewhere.
Where? In my room?
Yeah.
You're huge.
Alright guys, so I just realized I don't have a hammer because we're out at the shop. So I found this little piece to, looks like to take off the spare tire. So that's what we're gonna use to smash his TV. Dude, he's gonna cry. He's gonna be so upset. Here we go. Did you find the stand?
What are you holding?
Did you find the stand?
No. My closet's only so big, I don't understand where you put it.
It's gone.
Where'd you put it?
It's gone.
What do you mean it's gone?
It's gone.
Where you put it? Bro, I'm trying to play Xbox. Come on, dude. What are you holding? Quit, what are you holding? It better be my stand. You gonna tell me what you're holding, or you just gonna keep holding it?
Why?
So I put my TV up!
What TV?
My brand new TV sitting there.
This one?
Yes.
This your new TV? Is this your new TV?
Oh my god.
Bro!
Fuck!
What was that?
I smashed it.
You smashed the TV?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Bro, are you kidding me? You know how long it took me to save up for this TV and you're just gonna smash it?
You said you wanted to start vlogging and start pranking each other.
Why did you smash the TV?
He said he wanted me to start pranking him. Was that too far? Honestly. Oh no, it's not fine.
You probably fix it. Well, do more. That's all you're gonna do? You ruined it. Let me see it.
See, that was the reaction I wanted. Alright guys, now Talon broke his TV. I didn't break his TV.
He did say it's still fixable.
What'd you say?
So I'm moving out.
Why?
Did you smash my brand new fucking TV? What do you mean why? How'd you feel if I went there and smashed your TV?
I'll be upset.
Welcome to Jibbo Sensual Therapy. When you come here, I want you to just think about it. Just how good you'll feel when you come here.
What do you have to say about that, Minor? What's that on your lips? They're gonna be like, did all your vlogs consist of gay shit? No.
So sweet, so savory. I Did You Like a TV episode 3 vlog. Come on, more. I fucked up. I Did You Like a TV episode 3. Alright. So sweet, so savory. Like episode 3 of Jaika TV, Everything Irie. Out now. Swipe up. Really has him going.
That was like a white chocolate Hershey Kiss.
No, he makes it to where I can just reshape it at any point, add to it if I need to. Look at that tip. Look at the longevity. How do you get it hot?
1-800 number. Ooh.
Oh, 1-800 number.
Let's get some tits against the window. Yeah. Coming for you, David Dobrik.
Alright guys, so we got a new guy, not really a new guy, friend of ours. Zach, he just pulled up. I'm pretty sure I've seen his car pull up. And we have this Nissan Rogue over here. And we sent him pictures of it. The car's really not that dirty, but God does it stink. Like, somebody took fish, threw it in there, put it in the sun, and just let it bake for forever. So he's walking up now, and we're gonna get his reaction to him smelling it.
What's up, Talon? What are you recording for?
Huh?
So what are you recording for?
Nothing, just your first day. I want to get everything documented.
Okay. You told me it wasn't even that dirty.
It's not.
That's easy.
Yeah, just open the door.
That's easy shit. Yo. What the actual fuck? Dude, where'd you get this fucking car from?
It's a seafood delivery
Oh
van
my
car.
fucking god. Whoa. They fucking probably took their fucking kids with them. They fucking took the fucking fish out of the fucking packages and shoved it in the fucking sides of the seat, bro, and just cooked inside of there.
Is it bad?
Like, how the fuck? You haven't opened the fucking doors
I
yet?
did. I don't want to do it again.
Do I really have to fucking clean this fucking thing?
Oh, I can smell it now.
Yo!
Close the door.
Nah, fuck you.
No,
I'm gonna keep it open. I'm gonna hear that shit.
Bro, it's so bad.
Oh my.
You state your name.
Hi, my name is Zach Bacon.
Where are you from?
I am from Orlando, Florida. Mostly lived in Texas most of my life.
How old are you?
I am 21.
Howdy.
Pansexual. It's one of the 78.
78. Tom, can you go ahead and get that couch out back of your truck?
Here to clean a car?
You here for the couch casting?
Yeah.
How many times have you been on a couch like this?
About 4 or 5 times.
Oh my god, it's Hannah Montana. Hannah! What are you doing?
bitch? Dance rehearsal. Shit, my phone's. Hey Brian, yeah, I'll be there in a second. I know, I have to get the Coke. I mean, dance.
You wanna drive it?
I don't fucking care, just give me the fucking.
Here.
Fucking. This fucking bullshit, dude. This car smells so fucking bad.
that door open for any longer.
If you told me this fucking car smelled any other type of way, I would have never came. I'll pay you extra. Oh, that's so generous of you. Dude, hurry up and move the fucking car, dude. I don't want to be in this car more than like 10 seconds. I'm gonna floor it out of the fucking shop.
You can take it to the store if you want.
I ain't taking it nowhere. Oh god. Oh, I can't see. I don't fucking care. Oh my god. Yo, my fucking throat. Oh my god. Let's take the fucking camera.
Isn't that bad?
Yo, you weren't lying about that fucking key fob. Now my fucking fingers smell like ass. And as soon as you fucking turned the car on, the fucking AC was just like.
Oh my god, I'll see you tomorrow.
Foster went outside on the phone, got his coat. We got some Grape juice. Been sitting out for about, I don't know, probably 6 days, no lid. Cheers. That shit's, oh, it smells like ass. Be my friend.
Bro, is this yours?
Huh?
Is this yours?
What?
This drink.
I don't think so. Why?
What'd you do in my drink?
What are you talking about?
Bro, it tastes so bad.
It's probably just your drink.
Dude, it tastes terrible.
I didn't do nothing to it.
What'd you do?
Bro, I've literally been sitting here the whole time. What?
Drink it.
What do you mean drink it?
Drink it. You didn't drink it, but drink it.
What do you mean? I
Boy,
just
you
did.
did something to my drink, dude. That tastes so bad.
It tastes like dog
No,
Coke
dude.
to me.
I don't even care.
Here. You too, thank you. Bro, I didn't do shit to your goddamn drink.
It tastes like an old ass grape Coke. They don't make grape Coke.
It's probably because it was sitting in here got hot.
Hot, there's still ice in it, boy.
The ice is melted. Got him. Got him.
Got what?
Got him.
Boy, what did you put in there?
Just a little bit of laxatives.
Okay.
How'd it taste?
Dude, terrible.
What did it taste like?
Ass, grape ass.
Well, there's your answer right there.
Oh, you put that grape juice in there, didn't you?
Oh, the one that's been sitting open for like a week and a half.
Dink. You started a prank, boy, bud.
Did I?
Till next time.